Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to create a custom post type in WordPress in minutes. So this is a demo WordPress site. Now go to your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins tab. Then click on add new, search for custom post. Now install the first plugin, or rather custom post type UI plugin. So this is the most popular free custom post type plugin. Install and activate the plugin. Once you have activated the plugin, you will be redirected to the custom post type UI page. Now click on add/edit post types. Now put the post type slug, plural, etc. You can put other things too. Now give the menu a name. Here I'm giving it the name portfolio. You can also fill the other fields according to your liking or desire. Once you're done, click on add post type and you have successfully created a custom post type. Now you can see we have a tab called portfolio. Let's create a new post with our custom post type. Click on add new, and just like you create a post in WordPress, you can create post using this custom post type. But if you want to use, suppose if you want to use Elementor with your custom post type, then you have to enable some settings. To do that, go to Elementor settings page, and under general settings you have to enable your post type as shown here. Please follow it.